Subscribe to Narkasur in Goa and press the bell icon and never miss our latest updates.
There ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast.
This float was made by Melly and Abhi group from Old Goa.
Flying up in a bar, wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross.
These pictures, click on the I button. If you like the Batman, hit the like button. And here are some more pictures of the Batman.
Didn't even get to cross. I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon.
Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly like, share and comment what you think about our videos. And do not forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.
Didn't even get to cross.